Hello, my name is Stuart, and I'm a landscaper trained by golf course superintendent for the care of Western Washington lawns. And today I'm in Everett, Washington, and this is Will's house. And I have thatched this lawn previously, and today I came back. Today is September 14th, and I have aerated, seeded, and fertilized this lawn. This is a front lawn, and I'm going to come back in about a month or so and see how it's doing. Will's going to be watering regularly, he says, and I sure hope he does. It's all dried up and doesn't look too pretty right now, but I'm hoping it comes back like $1 billion. And once again, this is Stuart here with the Aerating-Thatching company, and thank you for watching my video. Thank you. Bye-bye. Hello, this is Stuart with the Aerating-Thatching company. I'm a landscaper trained by a golf course superintendent for the care of Western Washington lawns. I'm just outside Everett, Mill Creek area. I was just taking a look at a lawn that I had thatched, aerated, seeded, and fertilized. And now it's coming back nicely. And I was just driving by, checking out my work while I had a chance. Once again, this is Stuart with the Aerating-Thatching company. And thank you for watching my video. Thank you. Bye-bye.